crystal. This one has got all kinds of different structures on it. It's got big flat faces, big flat plates. You can see the really cool octahedrals. This top crystal is out of this world. It is just a beautiful shape. And for California gold, this is ultra rare. I'm going to get this one finished this week as well. Today's January 18th. I'll post an updated video and probably a little bit of the process as well for how I trim and remove some of the rock. Alright, this piece just became insanely ridiculous. This is the after video of after I've cleaned this specimen. These mirror faces are just insanely crazy. This thing is awesome, still on matrix. From this side it looks like a dragon head. Man, oh man, I love this piece. The crystallization is frickin' phenomenal.